Zion Prayer Movement Outreach will start its 3-day World Conference on Friday, August 23rd, 2024, to mark the end of its 100-day annual fasting and prayer in Amalaun to Ngo Okpala, Imo State. Speaking at a press conference held in Lagos on Saturday, a member of the ministry's committee, Brother Ihionu Patrick, explained that the crusade is a power-packed spiritual exercise which provides an avenue for people to reconcile with God and experience outstanding miracles, instant healings, deliverance from bondage, and salvation of souls, adding that the spiritual director, Evangelist Chukwuebuka Obi, will preside over the conference.
Why the choice of, I don't know how to call it, the Imo town?
Zion has been growing in exponential, proportions. Our population has grown so much that here can no longer accommodate us. So we are looking for a place that will be large enough to accommodate millions of Zionites. That informed our movement towards Ngobala, where we will have enough expanse of land to accommodate Zionites.
They have assured us that the lives and property of the people who will come there from all over the world, from Europe, from Asia, from Africa, from Australia, from North and South America, all the nooks and crannies of the world, everybody is secured.
Responding to a question about its court case against controversial blogger, Mr. Chizoram Harrison Ofuegbo, also known as Ijele, who was taken to court by police for threatening the life of Evangelist Ebuka Obi, he explained that the blogger had long been granted bail and that he perfected his bail conditions and ought to have been released.
My name is Kenneth Madeke. We are aware that you people have a pending case with one of us, a blogger. We want to have an update. What is the latest on that? Because now that we are talking about 100 days that we said, we like to know whether there are plans of forgiveness. So some of us who are sinners.
We have forgiven anybody who wronged us. Evangelist Ebuka has forgiven anybody. The issue you mentioned, as you noted, is very silent. But I must tell you that the matter was in court. Probably you followed it up. And by June 2024, he was granted bail. They were back in July to court, and the court varied the bail condition. So as it were today, he has been granted bail and he perfected his bail. I believe he should be out, or he is out as a free man.
Ihionu explained that the blogger was involved in other alleged cybercrime offenses against other parties not related to Zion Ministry and Evangelist Ebuka, for which he is still being held pending his arraignment for the other charges by state agencies.
I must add that just a few days ago, I learned he is still there, which ordinarily should not be in the making of anybody because his bail condition has been perfected. But I learned that he has other conditions holding him back, that there were warrants of production elsewhere for another offense. Probably that is the reason why he's still there. But for this case, he has been granted bail and the ordinary should be home as a free man.
And I want to add to that other offenses which he mentioned, Zion is not involved. Zion Ministry is not involved. Maybe another clergyman or another person in the nation got him arrested or charged him on another separate offense, which Zion Ministry is not involved. The application that was made by the defendant, which is one of you, we didn't oppose the verification of the bail terms. It is unopposed. We didn't challenge it because we have the right to challenge that the bail terms shouldn't be varied, but we didn't do that in the spirit of forgiveness. Whatever circumstances that is still keeping him there, we are not aware.
On present challenges facing the country, he called for all to return to God and the path of righteousness to ensure attendant spiritual and physical upliftment to the country.
In this period of political problems, the main solution is our God. Let us go back to our God. Seek the Lord now that he can be found. By the time we seek the Lord and we are in good relationship with our God, he will heal our land. So when you show pity to the poor, you are not only gaining spiritually, you are lending to God, and God will pay you a trillion-fold. Apart from that, we have a legal team, and other segments of Zion Ministry.